stock market are missed as we speak now. I think that the market is trying to kind of rebound from the shock or kind of reaction to the escalated, issues or crisis in Middle East, and also seeing the price of crude oil rebounding at the same time. All eyes are still on what on macroeconomic data in from different domain of the market. For me, investors should also trade with caution. But as we speak now, European market and that of Asia are are in green, aligned ahead of what ahead of non-pay news in terms of job data from America or US, we call it. These are the things that will shape the market to see if the part of a rate cut that were kind of initiated in the last policy meeting of Fed, if it will sustain towards the end of the year, knowing that they are still having a one policy meeting that coming in November. What rate, what kind of the the basic point that will be expected in that that meeting. These are the things that is also shaping the market. And don't also forget that as far we are seeing that this war or geopolitical tension that's also around the world now. We're seeing what is happening in Ukraine and Russia. We'll see what is happening extending to Iran and all those. These are already shaping the market. We're seeing that the risk assets is like being done to what to save heaven. Seeing people moving toward to bond market and all those stuff. We saw that US dollar have rebounded to almost 6 weeks high, sharply because of all that's happening. But good news here is that there is focus already that this rebound we're seeing crude oil might not be sustained because it's triggered by what? By the increased crisis in Middle East as a result of the recent strike or bomb here and there in Israel and that of also in Lebanon. All these things are the things that also driving the market. But good thing is here that don't forget at end of the year it's around the corner. We have seen that funds have left mature market, especially US and Europe, going for another look for where there is because of rate cut that is expressing that market. That fund is expected to drive some emerging market. We see that happen in India market trying to rebound, which also was expected that it will move to other emerging market like Nigeria and others that put their home in order by having a good consistent policy that can attract foreign funds, and also those countries that are also suffering currency devaluation also more likely see funds. But we are seeing that in Brazil tried to rebound because of a policy that put Brazil that even among the rating companies in the world, Brazil is being rated that credit speed or what they call is also coming back to Brazil. Say kudos for the government of Brazil and the step taking that Brazil have to depend on their currency to run their economy, not depending on just like what we're experiencing in Nigeria, where we're seeing a country where two currency is trying to dominate. Nigeria is facing naira, trying to also using dollar in same economy. That means whether we're turning Nigeria to the right economy or naira economy, we don't know. But they can see the step that Brazil have taken. They also start reflecting that the whole world is looking at the world of Brazil. This is a country that also they were shattered, they're also struggling because of political power and also consistent policy. We are seeing results coming there. That is why the risk rating companies already seeing light at the end of the tunnel in that economy because of consistent policy and also transparency they have seen in that policy direction. And that's why I believe that as funds starting for where to go, I see that there's outflow of funds in US, in that of Europe. It's looking for where they can grow more in terms of interest rate and that. And that's why we're seeing policy coming. We're seeing foreign investors looking in the world of Nigeria. But because of here in Nigeria, we're sacrificing our economy on the altar of what to attract foreign flow by keeping interest rate high, which you know that this is where these are the things that support our market going forward. That means investors should also not look back in this market, seeing the opportunity of pullback with also in few days to buy into what to buy into value. Because that is the only way you can make money in this market. Taking advantage of what low valuation that we're seeing in the market, and also sector rotation, which also was going on in foreign market. But in foreign market, I think that already when the market saw that even there's people are running away from this asset, when they see what is happening in the oil sector, even when people say that when others are smiling, others are crying, because of what is happening in the Middle East. where some people that are dying, but other people that are into oil production, with the rebound, they are already smiling. Not only that, also investors are already pushing their portfolio towards what oil companies and energies, because they've seen that the high price of crude oil that's coming out is going to impact performance. That's why I say sort of resolution will continue in any market direction, whether there is war, whether there is crisis. People want to know where to go. Don't forget that before now, we have seen that in US, we have seen that companies that are into war equipment. I see that they are making money in Europe, in Russia, all of them, because if there's something happening somewhere, you must understand how to realign your portfolio to where you can make money. Because I tell you, in any environment, there are always opportunity where you can work, where you can lash on and make money in any given time. That is why what is happening in the market. But today we're looking at the directional market, and what directional market? When it comes to technical analysis, we will discuss that one further. Here, like I said, in Europe, all eyes are still in what in job report from US, knowing that Europe also, but seeing that the purchasing manager index there is weak, showing that the economy is still weak, we have say. And also, I believe that for US, we have seen that the service service sector index shows that yes, the service sector are really strong. But I believe that what will give a clear direction is what this September job report that is coming today. During the trading session, that will give that market direction. But for Europe, for Asia, Asia is already in, waiting for what that this result that will come from, or report that will come from US to give a boost. But if you come down to African market is mixed. Why NGS today have rebounded from the kind of pullback we saw in the last 2 days, which is good news ahead of any season. Also at the same time ahead of what macroeconomic data. We have seen one already. I've seen that for the month of September, we were seeing what we call a project manager showing that yes, the economy also contracted for the month of September. This is not a good news for the economy. This has to reflect what the high interest rate that the economy have witnessed over the year, especially for the last 2 years, and especially for this year that was so just almost more than almost getting to 800 basis points hike in rate to fight inflation. Even inflation slowed down for 2 months. It's not a result of effective rate hike. It's a result of what harvest season and also rebase of the data that we are seeing. But I believe that now with what we are seeing in terms of energy price recently, with a hike again in petroleum, or what we call fuel or PMS in Nigeria, we're going to see rebounding even when we are seeing that there is also harvest season we are, because of what cost of movement, cost of living, every energy is high. We expect that inflation will also rebound, and that is why when the impact rate is already, for me, is the highest that we can expect from what policy managers, because this economy is already bleeding. With all this high cost of funds, we're already further also slowing down the economy, coupled with what insecurity we are seeing, and also policy mismatch and policy somersaults so far we have seen in the economy. But I believe that there's still potential. I believe that we have said it in this class, that consistency we are seeing, some companies that have done well, figure them out and see how you can position ahead of those companies, and that is how to work to allow your portfolio at this time. Because that is the only way you can make money in this market, by knowing what you are doing in the market. You must understand the market where you are trading, and also play it wisely to stay ahead of the market. It's very, very important at any given time. Then before we go to looking at how to trade the directional market using technical tools, we'll look at what is the market doing, what is the market data as to speak now. That data will give us insight to see what the market is doing. Market has opened from 10 o'clock to this hour, midday, as our class is ongoing. We want to look at it before we now go to the chart to see exactly what is happening in the market. Yet, even the live chart I will go to use there is struggling. I'm trying to come with that chart, but the way it's going, I'll also go back to see if it is set now, but I can use the right chart to also let you know. But let's also be looking at the data so far that we expect in the market right now. Yes, as we are looking at the market we have seen a rebound already today, and today is the last trading day of the week. Even though it is the first Friday of the month of October, and I believe that this is the month also where all eyes are still on earnings, being the earnings season the month. We expect that a company that has a different financial year, because of the quarter end, we expect to see their result hitting the boss, which is the NGS, any moment from now, really from next week. That will shape the market going to the future. But I believe that investors that are really designing a smart investor are taking advantage of what's happening in the market now, to position and buy into value. Like I said earlier, that we are seeing a lot of value in our market. I can see that the internet is also disturbing the disturbing the internet. for us to get a live chart to discuss with. But I will not go to the chart that I was saying before. Yeah. But look at the market data to speak. I think that the market is the leading, which is the Usher index, 97,173.68. Market is up by 109.26. At this hour, market has done more than this before. Like I thought aside 997,210 before pulling back to this figure we are just seeing. Market is up by marginal 0.10. That means the market is up. But to look at the market breadth is strong, so that the strength has come back to the market. We are seeing investors taking more position in both value, good stock, and defensive stock at this hour. Look at the market breadth is positively in the green. I see the market internals are positive. I feel that we are seeing 30 gainers at this hour against 14 losers in the market. Look at the top losers at this hour. I say that yes, profit taking has hit agency insurance and not surprised 10% down this hour, followed by Nimet, Pharmaceutical, also Cornerstone Insurance, Police Microfinance, and NASCOM. These are the top 5 losers as we speak. For the gainer side, we are seeing that position taking has also resumed again in LLC. LLC is up by what? By 9.9%, followed by ABC Transport. All service values across one sharply trading around 193 kobo. I see that local stocks are recently gaining momentum, taking up by 9.8. Capital also rebounded at 2 naira 39 kobo, up by 9.6. I see also Guinea Insurance and also NSL Tech also in the green. These are the stocks that we consider, yes, they are up right away. And also, if you look at it in terms of volume, I think that the WAPCO is up now, trading about in terms of volume, trading about 16.4 million shares, followed by selling NG. Selling NG is traded about 16 million shares at 5 naira. Massad also traded 15.1 million shares. UBA was also traded 14.6 million shares, and Agency Insurance have done 9.3 million shares at this hour. This is the state of the market. Yes, going to our topic today for discussion, how to trade what we call directional market. When as they apply directional market, that means you expect that trend to go up or trend to go down. And for you to do this, you must have what your technical tools also understand the meaning of what directional or trade. It means that you expect that market to move in one direction, either up or down. That means you are seeing the situation of the market, you are seeing the state of the market. From where you are standing, you expect that the market to go either from the factors you are seeing, put also technically or fundamentally that yes, market has come to a level that you need to rebound. That's why I said, this is a good strategy, that a key strategy that you can use in any market. So it involves forecasting if stock or market will rise or fall. That is the sense of direction. That's why I say directional. And then also choosing a position that also aligned with that prediction or with that focus or that expectation. That is why I say, so once you know that market, that's why I say when market has pulled back for straight, seeing the impact of loss on Dangote sugar cement. Sorry, yesterday, and you see that market almost down by almost above 1.2% yesterday, which is also huge. That creates a problem that yes, these are high cap stocks that also that supported the market to rally before now. They are correcting, but there are subsectors or some new companies that are trying rebounding powerfully as a result of their earnings. Then what is sentiment towards those companies? That's why you must look at the market or stock to understand where are they headed to. That's why I said this strategy is one of the best strategies you can use for forecasting if the market or the stock will rise or fall. But by doing so, you align your position. That means if you're expecting that the stock is selling at a discount, it's selling at at low valuation. What next? Is it going to trend up? But for us traders, that want to do what we call swing trading, you need to know what are the factors that will drive it. Are they expecting the numbers of this company? Is there any news that is coming? Or are you seeing volume changing? The stock is on the downtrend, but we are seeing that the rate of dropping has reduced, and now start seeing volume also increasing. This is also a sign that I want to look at to see. That's why I say in trading, technical analysis must combine your price, your volume, and momentum with other tools like your moving average, your chart pattern, and also other indicators like ADS to see the trend behind the momentum. These are the things. So money flow, especially to tell you that it's fund living or fund ending. That's why you must understand the state of the market, because that is the only way you can follow trend or not. Telling people that just copying trend and follow it is not enough. It involves for studying charts. involve during current event. At the same time, sign that the market is about to what to bottom out. You must understand all this. That will help you to know what you are doing. For me, I believe that as a trader investor, you must know where the market is heading or what is behind it, what's expecting at the market. When I saw the market pulling back, I always tell them that there's something behind it. And what is doing? Yeah, as market is pulling back, there's an opportunity for new entrants. But if you see that forces are putting the market down, I find that are very temporary and that won't last. What you start, you start buying into value without a pullback you are seeing because you are having a new price to enter at a discount. These are the things you should do as trader or investor in any market. You don't wait until everybody is jumping and start jumping. No, you must know exactly when to be in a store. So that will make you different from others in the market. Like I tell you that people that trade financial market must know how to choose position because we expect that market to move or in a certain way, or market also to move in a way that also impacts. That's why they try at the same time that to make money in the market or in any access price, it must go up or down before you can make money. That means you want to watch to trigger this stock to move up. While you make it to move up, that's your money. Those that are trade down market, when it comes out, how can I make money in the down market? These are the things that's why it's called directional stock. But when you say any non-directional trading, we're talking of what we're looking at price difference. We're not talking about what movement at that particular time. We are not expected to see any changes, but we only expect to see where the direction that the price is going. That is what we expected. Nothing else. That's why non-directional trading is different from directional trading. Not necessarily you have to guess, where the price will go. You want to see that price. But as a directional trader, you have to make profit from trend, from buying more when the prices are going up because you have seen the trend. That's what we call averaging up in trading. Well, I'm not like start averaging up, buying up when it's going up. You're making more money as you sell. It's also when those that do short selling, also when they know when to do short selling, you make money when prices are falling. These are the things that you must understand. But even though also there are major fundamentals when it comes to trading directional market. There are fundamentals that it depends on. Then this that it depends on analyzing the market, not to guess. Analyzing the market. That means when we look at prices, where are they going next? That's how we use different tools, like I mentioned earlier, just like average, moving average, indicators like momentum indicators, pattern, pattern, and also pattern and charts, and also figure out where is the next move, ahead of what event, because there's something that is going. That's why, based on this information, you can be able to make informed decision to know your entering and also the starting point for long positioning or for short positioning. You must have all this at the back of your mind. That is why for long-term investors, when you're looking at 200 days moving average, it's for a purpose. When you see a short-term trade like me looking at the T line, that is 8 days moving exponential. That means what we call a moving average exponential 8 days. It tells you that there's something we're looking at the market because it is the upgoing trend and also downgoing trend that create that opportunity for us to make money in the market. That's why any swing trader in the market or short-term trader must understand the meaning of the directional trading and also take advantage in any market that you can also make money in that position you are taking. You are not there just to get. Also, in all this, you must also manage this and also manage your manage your money, because managing money in trading is also very, very important. It's not just to buy and sell. Also, how to manage money is very, very important. Yes, because our live chart today is not working, I want to quickly look at this chart that is just displayed now. If you are seeing there, you can see that you can see this some of a plate here. This is a plate. You can see this plate and handle. You can see when you see plate and handle in chart analysis, it's a sign that uptrend is on the line. But if you want to take this plate and handle, if you take it up to this level, from here to here is the handle. Because the handle is coming down. For now, with the band will see if the market come here and break out on this level, we're going to see from here to here in the up direction again. That's why I see that any rebound in this market, especially as we expect this earnings season to be the month of October, we expect that there will be kind of portfolio reshuffling by a different form of investors in the market, both institutional, both retail investors, both high net worth investors, both the foreign investors. All will try to take advantage of the last quarter of the year ahead of Nigeria first quarter, because we know that most companies in Nigeria and NGS have the best year end. That means the first quarter we're going to see most of them coming to with dividends to reward their shareholders. This is how you should position your market, your trading ahead of ahead of every investment is against expectation, it's also against the future. past performance is never a guarantee of what will happen. But if you have your data and your chart, I will tell you you take information at the right time, and that is why we are looking at what this directional trade, which I want to do more on it. Tomorrow also in the live navigating, the ups and downs in the market. We want to see how we can take advantage of it to make informed decision. This is the chart I've just told you. And I can see it here. The up and down here, you can see that you have a down trend here. And I can see also this chart. This is also a straight one that we have seen already. Even when this market has break down to signal weak market and a bear market, but we have seen this morning, as I told you earlier, from the chart, or from the market data, that was seeing that market has turned green, seeing that market breadth is healthy. For me, it's a good one for the market. Let's quickly check also if the live chart has come out. You can see that is it the weather? I don't know. It's still rolling. It's here to give us the live chart for today. I believe that on this note, I've been winding down for today, expecting that those stocks that are the top gainers, like I mentioned, there's no chart now to chart this like gainers. As I told you earlier, I've read those gainers out before now. Also, if you look at them, I can still tell you that these stocks that were seen as top gainers, they are more also. These are low cap stocks that were seen. But I can tell you that high cap stocks also are among them that have potential to go further up. But because of this live chart is not coming up, we're unable to chart them. But like I said earlier, the top gainers are still Ella Lake at this hour, followed by ABC Transport, and also we're seeing Cavaton rebounding from the pullback that we had earlier. That is also we're also seeing gain insurance, but good for us. All these are what are really making the market to go up and down because of sell off in some high price stocks, and also at the same time we're seeing activities of profit taking, portfolio realignment as a result of what high interest rate that was further increased at the last FTC meeting. But with the market expecting that the position taking for the end of the year is around the corner, a third quarter giving insight to what the company has done so far in the year. And also, I believe that the seasonality that comes with the end of the quarter will also repeat itself, because technical analysis, that is, I believe that trend will repeat itself, and because of expectation, that's likely to happen also this same quarter we are just entered. But I'm not panicking that the market started negative on the first trading day of the month of October. The more we see earnings that from next week, that will also start changing the psychology of the market, the perception, the sentiment, and all also be favor of the market. Especially as we're seeing that foreign flow are looking at cheap assets, and we're seeing most of our stocks are crossing that value because of what the valuation that was experienced so far in Nigeria. But if you look at it, the technical analysis, you can see it here that market has been up so from year to date. For me, despite we're seeing this up and down, let me call up the T line to give us a clear position of what the market is doing, so that we'll get all this clear. I'll call the MACD chart, MACD indicator. I'll call the money flow, very very important for us, and also the moving average exponential H. This is what we use in this class. When I mention T line, anybody in this class will understand what I'm saying, because it gives us the clear direction. But I think that the momentum is also responding to what is happening in the market. Yes, money flow is still looking down. MACD is also have performed a downtrend, because you can see that the histogram also come down. So let me take you so you can see the state of the market right away now. Yeah, that the market is below the T line. You can see market is below the T line, below the 50 days moving average, simple moving average, and moving average exponential 50. Market is below that. That is weak market. But good news that market also trying to work to turn up. You can see that on this of MACD, also that MACD has turned bearish on looking at MACD. And money flow is looking down, to read 52, even it's still above 50, but you can see that it's looking down. When you see MACD looking down, say that there's also fund are leaving the market. That is the implication. I can see that it is not down when on Tuesday after the announcement that week, and also the date. Apart from today, I see the market struggling. But if the market turn up on the strength of earnings ahead of end of the year, that will be good news for the market. Because of our time, let's look at the 1 hour chart for this index before we look at the before we look at the before we look at the yeah before we look at other story that I lead. You can see that in the last 1 hour, I see that for almost 3 hours now, or 4 hours, I see the market is recovering. But it cross the T line, that will give you. But good sign was seen on the MACD. You can see that start looking up already on the 1 hour chart. For the market, money flow start turn up on the 1 hour chart, almost getting to 50, reading 47. For me, this is a good news for the market. That means reversal from this pullback is is underway for me. That's why tomorrow, at the end of the market today, now look at this information data more, and also give a clear direction what the also should be looking at, take advantage of what is happening in the market and what investors should be doing. Yes, because of our time, if we look at what is happening in car pattern, this new trend, how far will it go? We need to look at that. How far will the car pattern go on this? Let's look at it. How far will it go on this? For those that missed the bottom, some say is it a death cat bounce? We want to know now. No, let's see the trend. Yes, if you look at 1 hour chart, you can see that it's trying to come up here. MACD has turned positive for the stock, going up again. We'll look at the day chart for also the stock. Let's see on the day chart, it's still below what? Below the key. I can see that it's still bearish, but trying to come across. But I think that this one is longer than this one. It's a sign, but money flow is still looking down on this. So if we look at what is also happening in Owando and CWG, what are the advantage there? Investors look at. Let's look at their pattern. Yes, Owando, you can see that at a day chart that has got the T line, money flow is turning. You can see your histogram is moving up. That means if you're in this stock, know who your position. If I would say if you want to buy, jump in. Even when the money flow just slow down a little, to read this, which is below 50. But I think the other indicators are looking up for the market to be Wando to be the price action to be above what T line. Marginal is a sign. And we always see that market is already making move, and it's a momentum indicator that also shows where the market is also going for Wando. Look at the Wando on 1 hour chart also, you can see get more information. On 1 hour chart, Wando is can see above also the T line. For me, it's a good one. Also, already that my money flow is still looking down. I'm more forward to need to attend the stock, and I believe it's because of the result that was kind of postponed. That's why we're seeing all this in Wando. Yeah, there's no cause for alarm in that position. CWG is also a stock to watch. As to speak now, what's your position? Are you in this stock? You need also to know. Yes, our time is fast spent. Already giving me a sign to leave this class or this section. Yes, I will say thank you and see you on Monday, hopefully by God grace. Enjoy your weekend. Look forward to for Q&A session for our colleagues that are in this class also forward tomorrow, discussing more on all this by God grace. So I say thank you. Enjoy your training day and your weekend. Bye.